In this video, I demonstrate how to move the order and arrangement of the modules on your pages. Now you can change the order in which these modules appear in each position on a page by changing the order that the modules sit here in the list back here in the Module Manager. Let's go ahead and move the order of these two modules. Let's put login form above latest articles over here in position 7 of our template. To do that, let's go ahead and filter in our Module Manager by position, so we only see those modules in position 7. And you'll notice that here latest articles is above login form. We don't see the user menu because we're not logged in. So what you'll do is you're going to use this column over here in the left, the ordering column. In order to create a move icon next to the name of the module, you'll need to click on that icon right there. This is a little bit tricky. Notice that it says ordering. Click to sort by this column. There's also another warning here. Please sort by order to enable reordering. So what you do is you click on that ordering icon. I just clicked on it. And notice that that changes. And now I have a double-headed arrow here. So let's take the login form and drag it all the way to the top. And now all we need to do is refresh our browser. And sure enough, the modules are now in a new order. You can also use the Module Manager to move modules to different positions on the page. Let's move this latest articles module from position 7 over here on the right to position 8 over here on the left. You'll do this from the Module Manager. Go ahead and click on the title of the module that you want to move. This will open it in the module editor. Now there's a lot here, so we need to take it slow. However, there are some things to take notice of here. First, the title of the module. Over here to show or hide the title. The menu assignment. Default is on all pages, but you can choose no pages, only on the pages selected, or on all pages except those selected. These last two options will give you a reproduction of all of your menus, so you can go page by page and assign the module to appear or not appear on those pages. Back here in the Modules tab, you also have position over here to the right. Let's change this from position 7, which is on the right of our current template, to position 8, which is on the left. Now this is a bit tricky because you're seeing all the module positions in all of the templates that you have installed. So the Bees 3 template is installed, so you have all these template positions. These are not being used, so if you assign the module to any of these positions, it'll disappear. Protostar is our default template, so that's the one we need to look at. And sure enough, here is position 7 where it currently is. Let's move it over to position 8. Let's save our edits here in the editor and then go back to our page and refresh. And now what we should see is the latest articles is over on the left. It's at the top because there are no other modules in position 8. Let's go ahead and filter so we can see all the modules in position 8. And sure enough, it's the only one there. Let's now practice the skill of assigning modules specific pages of a site. You only have a single page at this point, but if you look at the list of modules currently in your Module Manager, let's go ahead and unfilter the position. You'll notice that you have a search module assigned to position 0, but it hasn't been assigned to any pages. So let's fix this and put this search module on our Getting Started page. Go ahead and click on the title of the module. That brings us back to the familiar editor. Click on the menu assignment. Notice that it says no pages. Let's change that to on all pages. Save our work. Preview our page. And up here in position 0, we now have a search module. So we've reached the end of the lesson. And if you're following along with my edits, your Getting Started page should now look like this one here, with the latest articles module on the left, a search module in the upper right-hand corner, a logo at the top of the article, and then some other changes that you made down here to your text. Let's move on to the next lesson and now add content to your growing website.